Hello students, today we will continue our chapter number 2, Tom Sawyer. Do you remember we have read the story yesterday? Yes, today I will give you a short summary of the first half. Okay? There was a boy named Tom who got the work from her aunt Polly to whitewash the fence. The fence that was the fence is what is fence? The boundary of the house. Yes. Then he went to whitewash, but he began thinking of the plans he has to go to have fun on a holiday, but all his plans were whitewashed. Then he had an idea. What idea did he had? We don't know. We have to read it today. Okay? When he was working, then he got an idea and he started work. And then came a boy named Ben. Yes, he was a boy who always makes fun of others. Okay? Now we will start the story. This is what we have read yesterday. Okay? Where we had finished when he asked about what are you punished, and Tom said no, I'm not punished. Then Ben said, hello old chap, you have got to work, huh? Why, it's you, Ben. I didn't notice you. What did Ben say? You have to work on a holiday also. Then what did Tom say? Oh, I didn't notice you, Ben. He was so busy in work, he pretended that he didn't see Ben. Okay? Now next line. I am going swimming. Don't you wish you could come? But of course, you're working. What did he say? He was teasing Tom by saying, I am going for the swimming. You also wish to come, but you of course are working. You cannot go. He was making pity and he was making fun of him. Then Tom contemplated Ben for a while and then said, you call this work? Well, maybe it is. All I know is that it suits me. Then Tom just gave an answer confidently and said, what do you say this is work? Oh, I enjoy it. In what tone he said? Like he is very happy doing that work. That he has got the opportunity to work with so many efforts. Okay? Next line. Oh, come on. You don't mean to tell me you like it. How often does a boy get a chance to whitewash a fence? This line Tom said. What did Ben say? Oh, come on. You don't tell me you like it. Means he was saying, don't tell me you like to do the work of whitewashing on a holiday. Then Tom said, do you think any boy, how often मतलब कितनी बारी मिलता होगा, कितनी बारी किसी लड़के को ये चांस मिलता होगा वाइट वॉश करने का फेंस को. हाउ ऑफन डज अ बॉय get a chance to whitewash a fence? That put the things in the different light. Ben watched Tom artistically, sweeping his brush back and forth. Presently he said, say Tom, let me whitewash a little. Tom didn't like the work, but he pretended he loved the work he's doing. Then Ben also got jealous how interesting this work could be. He also wanted to do. He was watching Tom doing the work, painting the fence by sweeping the brush back and forth. Back and forth means आगे पीछे उसको करते हुए उसको पेंट कर रहा था. Okay? He was painting the whole fence very artistically, like he knows the whitewashing very well. Okay? Then after seeing so much of energy and so much of dedication of Tom, Ben also wanted to do the whitewashing. Okay, now let me read you from the starting till here. Okay, Ben said, hello old chap, you have got to work, huh? Why, it's you, Ben. I didn't notice you. I am going swimming. Don't you wish you would come? But of course, you're working. Tom contemplated Ben for a while and then said, You call this work? Well, maybe it is. All I know is that it suits me. Oh, come on. You don't mean to tell me you like it. Then, how often does a boy get a chance to whitewash a fence? That put things in a different light. Ben watched Tom artistically sweeping the brush back and forth. Presently he said, Say, Tom, let me whitewash a little. Now we will continue further. Okay? Tom thought a bit and seemed about to consent, but then he altered his mind. Tom thought a bit. उसने थोड़ा सोचा and he was thinking and seemed about to consent. Consent मतलब उसके संग हाँ उसको हाँ बोलने वाला था. तो उसने थोड़ा सोचा फिर उसको हाँ बोलने वाला था बट अचानक उसने अपना माइंड बदल लिया. ऑल्टर्ड मतलब बदल लेना. नो सेड द टॉम फर्मली. आई एम अफ्रेड आई कांट. Aunt Polly is very particular. There is scarcely a boy in 1,000, maybe even in 2,000, who can do it. Tom said, No, I can't give you. Aunt Polly is very particular about the work. She gave it to me because she trusts me, and I can't give you like that. Okay? And there is thousands and even 2,000. Only one boy who can whitewash the fence. And if he gave it to Ben, what Ben will do? Then Ben said, Oh, come on, let me just try. Ben said earnestly. What did Ben say? Oh, come on, let me try it. Why are you doing that? है ना? Now, next line. Ben, I would like to honestly, but Aunt Polly is particular. Jim wanted to do it, and so did Sid, but she wouldn't let them. If you were to tackle the fence and something were happen to it, what did Tom say then? Tom said, honestly, Ben, I would like to give it to you. मतलब ये काम मैं आपको देना तो चाहूँगा, but Aunt Polly is very particular. Very particular मतलब वो बहुत काम को लेके बहुत strict हैं कि काम ऐसे ही होना चाहिए. Jim wanted to do it. Who is Jim and Sid? Probably his brothers. Jim को भी करना था वो काम, Sid को भी करना था वो काम, but Aunt Polly ने किसी को नहीं करने दिया. If you were to tackle the fence and something were happen to it, means अगर तुम इसको white wash करो और कहीं फेंस को कुछ हो गया. He was making a story so that he get interested in whitewashing. Okay, next line. Oh Tom, I'll be very careful. Let me try, please. In fact, I'll give you my apple. Then what did Ben say? Oh Tom, very obviously he will be very careful. Let me try. Okay, he was convincing Tom. What he was doing? He was convincing Tom to let him whitewash the fence. And what did he say? I'll give you my apple. अगर टॉम मुझे वाइट वॉश करने देगा तो बेन उसको एप्पल दे देगा. What did they do? Okay, next paragraph. Tom pretended to hesitate. He didn't hesitated. He pretended to hesitate. मतलब उसने ऐसा दिखाया कि वो hesitate कर रहा है. Then, with a doubtful expression on his face which masked his inner glee, he gave Ben the brush. Then, next step in his plan was to entrap other innocents. What did he do? पहले तो उसने दिखाया कि वो hesitate कर रहा है, but then उसने थोड़ा doubtful expression के संग उसको दे दिया ब्रश बेन को. अब उसका नेक्स्ट स्टेप क्या था? बाकी इनोसेंट्स को इंट्रैप करना, मतलब बाकी लोगों को भी ऐसे ही बेवकूफ़ बनाना. देयर वॉज नो लैक ऑफ मटेरियल. बॉयज पासिंग बाय स्टॉप्ड टू peer, but stayed to whitewash. Tom was soon rolling in wealth. He collected a kite, a dead rat on a string, 12 marbles, a couple of tadpoles, a key that wouldn't lock, and a host of other things. He did not work, but soon the fence had 3 coats of whitewash on it. Means, see, wherever भी there was no lack of material. तो वहाँ से उसने बेन को तो दे दिया ब्रश, और फिर उसने क्या सोचा, ऐसे ही बाकी लोगों को भी बेवकूफ़ बनाते हैं. जब वहाँ से बॉयज़ निकल रहे थे, उन सब को पहले तो वो रुके देखने के लिए, उनका मजाक उड़ाने के लिए, बट जब उन्होंने देखा कि इस काम में तो सच में बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है उन लोगों को, तो दे ऑल्सो स्टार्टेड. वॉट डिड दे गिव? दे गिव डिफरेंट थिंग्स टू टॉम टू लेट देम वाइट वॉश. मतलब उसने कई चीज़ें उसको दी. मतलब टॉम को कुछ, किसी ने काइट दी, किसी ने मार्बल्स दिए, किसी ने की दी, एंड आस्क्ड टॉम टू लेट देम वाइट वॉश. He did not work, but soon the fence had 3 coats of whitewash on it. Means, टॉम ने खुद ने काम नहीं किया, बट पूरे फेंस पे तीन बार कोट्स हो गए वाइट वॉश के, बिकॉज उसने बहुत अच्छे से उसको मेकअप करा कि उसको काम नहीं कर रहा था, बट उसने बाकी लोगों से काम करवाया. उसके बदले में उनसे सामान भी ले लिया एंड उनको काम भी करवा लिया. ही वॉज सो क्लेवर, राइट? This story is written by Mark Twain. Okay. So here the chapter ends. I hope you understood the chapter. Read it once again. Okay. Thank you.